Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you iOS 17.1. This particular update introduces the ability for AirDrop transfers to continue over the internet when you step out of the AirDrop range. This release includes enhancements to Standby and Apple Music, as well as other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. Now, what that means is when you AirDrop something, you used to have to stand really close to the other phone. This will allow you to do it over the network, whether it be Wi-Fi or the cellular network. So, I'm going to have to turn this back on. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Update Now. There we go. Alright, this is update requested, so just to check, there we go. So that's what AirDrop is you're basically it's like throwing a ball up in the air and having it someone else catch it. I'm going to turn on my cellular network here. The Wi-Fi, excuse me. There we go. Alright, let's see why it says paused. Oh, I see why. There we go. There we go. Sometimes my there's a bandwidth drop to it, so that way it doesn't work very well. So we have a minute left. This update is 1.32 gigabytes. It's not as big as, let's say, iOS 17, but it's still pretty big for what it is. And now the update is being prepared. I'll be back when this is done. Alright, we are back. So, let's see the result. iOS 17.1. Let's see if there's any more updates. I'll see if, which I just did. Go to About. There we go. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.